Bike run number 4. Oh, nice bail, but it got hit. Some areas where you could see just dug out. The bike shot right into there. G-boy, possibly.
Ow.
Bike run number 4. Oh, nice bail, but it got hit again.
Seat thing, 'cause there's no
Yep.
seat on it?
Yeah.
That middle part got me right behind the seat.
Yeah, maybe we should put like tape at least or something, or get some better stuff to attach with.
Oh, yeah.
It's all good. Some more damaging the floor.
Yeah, when I jumped off,
That thing shot up at you?
the thing turned and that thing caught me right behind the leg and like...
Oh no, that guy's not good either.
No, now they're even. The bike's still good.
Just got a fixed handlebar and it's not
Let
bad.
me get the seat.
Okay. Bike run number 4. Oh, nice bail, but